Welcome to our tutorial on how to invest in gold and silver through Fidelity. If you are considering diversifying your investment portfolio, precious metals can be a great option. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to get started with Fidelity so you can invest confidently. First, you'll need to open an account with Fidelity. If you already have a brokerage account, you can skip this step. To set up a new account, go to the Fidelity website and select the option to open a new account. You will need to provide your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once your account is set up and funded, you can begin investing in gold and silver. Fidelity offers various options, including purchasing physical gold and silver through ETFs or mutual funds. To find these options, visit the investment section on their platform and search for terms like gold ETF or silver ETF. You can also explore mutual funds that focus on precious metal investments. After selecting your investment vehicle, decide how much you want to invest and place your order. Make sure to review the fees associated with your investment and track your holdings regularly. Investing in gold and silver can be an effective way to hedge against inflation and market volatility, so keep an eye on market trends as you manage your portfolio.